हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू साइंस क्लासेस। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको एडिटोरियल पैसेज का आउटलाइन शेयर कर रहा हूं दोस्तों। डिक्टेशन विद द स्पीड ऑफ 100 वर्ड पर मिनट। लेट्स स्टार्ट। 5 सेकंड, 4 सेकंड, 3 सेकंड, 2 सेकंड, 1 सेकंड। स्टार्ट प्लीज। An advocate shall not lend money to his client for the purpose or any action or or proceedings in which he engaged by such client. Explanation: an advocate shall not be held guilty for a breach of this rule if in the course a pending suit or proceedings and without any arrangement with the client in respect of the same, the advocate feels compelled by reason of the rule of the court to make a payment to the court on account of the client for the progress of the suit or proceeding. An advocate who has at any time advised in connection with the institution of suit, appeal or other matter, or has drawn pleadings or acted for a party, shall not act, appeal or plead for the opposite party. Section 3rd. Duty to opponent. An advocate shall not in any way communicate or negotiate upon the subject matter of controversy with any party represented by an advocate as except through that advocate stop. An advocate shall do his best to carry out all legitimate promises made to the opposite party, even though not reduced to writing or enforceable under the rules of the court. Section 4. Duty of colleagues. An advocate shall not solicit work or advertise either directly or indirectly, whether by circulars, advertisements, touts, personal communications, interviews not warranted, personal relations, furnishing or inspiring newspaper comments, or producing his photograph to be published in connection with cases in which he has been engaged or concerned. He signboard or nameplate should be reasonable size. Stop. The signboard or nameplate or the stationery should not indicate that he is or has been associated with any person or organization or with any particular cause or matter, or that he specializes in any particular type of work, or that has been a judge or an advocate general. Stop. An advocate shall not permit his professional services or his name to be used in an or to make possible the unauthorized practice of law by any agency. Stop. An advocate shall not accept a fee less than the fee taxable under the rules when the client is able to pay the same. Full stop. An advocate shall not enter appearance in any case in which there is already wakalat or memo of appearance filed by an advocate engaged for a party except with the consent in case such consent is not produced, he shall apply to the court stating reasons was the said consent should not be produced, and he shall appear only after containing the permission of the court. Section 4A. Every advocate born on the rolls of the State Bar Council shall pay to the State Bar Council a sum of rupees 300 every third year, commencing from 1st August 2001, along with the statement of particulars as given in the form set out at the end of these rules. The first payment to be made on or before 1st August 2001 or such extended time as notified by the Bar Council of India or the concerned State Bar Council. थैंक यू वेरी मच दोस्तों। यदि मेरा वीडियो आपको पसंद आए सब्सक्राइब करना, लाइक करना और मुझे अपने डाउट्स मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे शेयर कर सकते हो। थैंक यू दोस्तों, वेरी मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच।